Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. So we have an earwax removal compilation video for you, so 3 patients in this video. This first patient you can see has come through with quite sticky, dark earwax. It's occluded in both sides, so we're going to use the standard size ulnar tube first of all. Because it's quite sticky, first thing we're going to do is try and unstick this from the ear canal walls. So just to try and take some of the wax away from the ear canal, lifting it into the center. Now, as you can see, as it's lifted into quite a thin wedge of wax, which is difficult sometimes to get a grip on with suction. So I'm just trying to wiggle it around just to get a better grip on it to take that away. So we've unsticked part of the bottom of the earwax there, so we just need now to unstick the remainder from the ear canal walls. So just working our way around, wiggling it up and down, back and forth, just to free it up from those canal walls. Very gently moving this down. You can see we've lifted a flap there at the bottom, which gives us a slightly better surface to try and get the suction on. You can see the whole block of wax now is starting to move, so it is unsticking from the canal walls now. There we are, just trying to free up the right side a little bit more. You can see it's wobbling in there. Just holding the suction onto the wax to allow the suction to gain a little bit of grip. Sometimes helps us to maneuver it out. It'll give us a slightly stronger suction grip on there then. But this is quite firmly wedged in. So what I'm going to do is use the Jobson horn just to go over the top of this wax. Just putting a little bit of pressure on the front end there, just so I can peel it down to get a bit further behind. There we are. So we've got a good grip in the center of it there. And there you go. So that came out in one piece. So you can see the eardrum there all looking nice and healthy. So this is what we removed. So you can see quite a long piece. You took the average ear canal is about 2.5 centimeters, an inch long thereabouts. So quite a substantial piece there. So this is our second patient in the compilation. So you can see same kind of issue as the last patient, just dried up wax blocking the entire canal. So you're going to use the standard size ulnar tube again to start us off to unstick this away from the canal walls. I tend to favour using the suction tube over some of the other tools, especially when you start off the suction here, or start off the removal, because it is a really good way of maneuvering the wax and positioning it better, unsticking it from the canal walls. I find that a lot more effective than using something like the Jobson horn or a St. Bart's hook to do that. So you can see we've managed to get a good grip on this wax. It's staying quite well together, so in one big piece. Managed to pull it out of the canal slightly there. So we've got a good grip on this bottom section. So just going to use the crocodile forceps because we've got a nice leading edge there. You can see it's just pulling and stretching, so just reposition the forcep. There we are, so we managed to get a good grip. A little bit of dry skin in there as well, I can see. There we are, so nice large piece. It's a little bit left over, a little piece broke away. You can see the eardrum there just over the top of it, so we'll just use a bit of suction just to clear this last little piece away. There it is. And let's take a look at our eardrum. Eardrum looks a little bit dull. Not so much of a light reflex on that eardrum, so possibly a little bit pulled in, a little bit retracted, but nothing untoward going on there. So this is our last patient in this compilation. You can see we've got quite a large block of wax here. Looks quite hardened up from the outer edge. Just going in with the standard size ulnar tube first of all, just to do a bit of probing and sticking from the canal. You can see it's quite crumbly, lots of little tiny pieces getting sucked in. Got a little bit of dry skin there at the bottom as well. We just move forwards. can see it's actually stretching out of the canal. There you go. Let's put the next piece forward. This little bit at the bottom here is attached to a piece of dry skin. There you go. You can just see it lifting at the base of the canal there. Just manoeuvring this out. Trying to use the dry skin a little bit as well, just to use it almost like a little sled to try and pull the remainder of the wax that's stuck to it on the top forwards. But it's quite a chunky piece, so it's actually got stuck in the outer part of the ear canal there. So I'm just going to use the Jobson horn now just to get behind it and bring it forwards. You can see it's coming away there quite nicely with the Jobson horn. It looks like it broke a little piece off there, or a large piece off I should say, sorry. Yep, there you go, there's the remainder left in the canal, so we'll just go in behind that now and bring that forwards. You can see it's connected together, and it's quite a long strip. You can see this kind of whiter material here at the top of the wax there. That's going to be a little bit of dry skin that's run all the way through this, so basically it's just going to be holding and binding all this together. So you can see there's a little bit deeper in there, not too much more now though. Let's get a grip on that. Perfect. And I'll take a look at the eardrum on this side. Oh, that looks absolutely brilliant. Nice and shiny, pearlescent, really, really healthy. So this is the second ear of the same patient. You can see a very similar issue actually on this side as well. Slight gap at the top of the wax on this one, so we may be able to maneuver this a little bit more effectively. So just getting a grip on the left side of the wax. Tried to unstick that because that was the most prominent side stuck to the canal wall. Holding really well with the suction. Working out very slowly. As tempting as it would be to just really kind of get in there and whip this out quickly, sometimes you find if you work it out very slowly that it'll stay together a little bit more effectively. So not so much the little tiny pieces to remove there. A little bit of dry skin down the, it was actually down the left hand side. Whoop, there we are. So use the suction again. Just trying to work this block out. It looks like it's going to come away with the suction, but it looks like it's quite firmly wedged at the back end, so we'll just give it a bit of a helping hand with the Jobson horn. There you go. I'll check behind that. You can see it's got a deep piece now sitting just in front of the eardrum, so we use a bit of suction to get rid of that. Just holding on to it there. You can see it getting sucked into the machine. Just pulling that forwards. There we go. Yep, a little bit of the entrance there. You can see the eardrum looks really healthy. Just get rid of that little tiny bit now in a second. Top and bottom, there we go. Eardrum looks really, really good. So this is what we removed. You can see a much deeper colour. Some of the whiter sections, the lighter sections on the wax are actually bits of dry skin. So quite a big removal on this one.
Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.